Taxes, I don't know, taxes. So I go to him with my 1099, and he says to me, um, maybe we can get something back for you. I said, what do you suggest? He says, I don't know. What do you want to do? I says, well, what do you suggest? He's like, well, what do you want to do? And I'm like, what do you suggest? So he kind of has to hint to you. He can't suggest, but you got to know what you want to do before you go there doing what you're supposed to do. So he's like, don't you remember buying a new computer? Dinners, right? You remember that too? And I'm like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, ah, yes, I remember now. It's clear to me. Yes, I remember those dinners. I remember the other things too. The computer. Yes, it's coming back to me. Do you need that receipt? I'll take that. Ooh. Well, anyway. Whoa, almost pulled the camera with the mic. As you can see, it's attached a little bit. That would have been disaster. Then I wouldn't be able to do my TurboTax rant. But then I'd be able to write it off as a deduction. Don't know much about taxes, but I do notice that if you have a lot of receipts, it does work in your favor. But the best way to have your taxes done is by the IRS. You could actually have it done for free, gratis, complimentary. From those who pay their tax dollars. And but what are we still there? It's getting late. You know what I mean? It's almost time for me to start doing my taxes. I can't wait till the government launches this economic stimulus plan. Where are they going to get the money for that? Who knows? But as soon as I get my check, I'm going to buy a new wardrobe. And then this is my TurboTax rant. Yeah, that's right. Don't know much about taxes, but it's hard to say. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2. Yeah, when we were growing up, we grew up poor, so we didn't pay taxes. Everything was itemized for us, including deductions. But we had, there was nothing. We didn't even have to pay for parking. But it was a write-off. Checks in the mail. So you gotta pay your dues.